Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen. In this segment, we're going to talk about how to grow a California redwood. Now, sequoia trees are beautiful trees and they're native to Northern California. They're found on the coast all the way from Humboldt County all the way to Monterey. And they love coastal conditions. They live on the coastal mountains and they just love a lot of moisture. They like fog belts and anywhere where there's really hot summers, but a lot of rain and wet conditions in the wintertime with a lot of breaks in that too. They really want to dry out in between. Redwoods are very distinguishable because the actual branch or the actual stem of the tree is red. They have beautiful foliage. The pine needles are very flat. So they look very much like a cedar tree, but they're a little bit flatter and a little bit lighter colored. And they like a lot of sun. They want to grow somewhere where they get sun on the top, but they make a deep forest under their canopy. So they don't want to be too close together. They'll kind of shade themselves out. The main plants want a full sunny spot to start. So make sure and give them good drainage and a lot of composted soil. They grow in the forest. They want a lot of earthy, dead wood kind of soil in it so that they can have a lot of air. And they usually are around a lot of deciduous trees too, so the leaf canopy actually gives them a lot of the nutrition that they need. So they're easy to grow in almost any climate, but they don't do well in desert climates because it just gets too dry for them. They like moisture climates and they can handle a lot of cold climates, but they don't want to get too cold either. So in Alaska, sometimes they won't do as well as they would do in the Pacific Northwest. So sequoias or California redwoods are beautiful trees to grow, and you don't really prune them, you don't trim them, you just plant them and forget them, and they'll make a beautiful addition to your garden.